Hello everybody, just wanted to talk to you real quick, make a short video about what you'll be doing for the final digital project, just in case you want to get it started early before we have a chance to talk about it in class. If you look in the OneNote, I updated the end of the year schedule, so you can see that there are a lot of things available. So if you want to start early and make sure you're not swamped at the end, go ahead. So just check that and it'll tell you what things we're doing synchronously and which ones we're doing asynchronously. So as far as the final project, so it's going to be 60 points. Here's some, you're going to choose one of these 4 digital choices. So there's more than 4 listed here, but we'll tell you why here in a second. So there's an explainer video. You may have done that. You've definitely seen them before. They're all over the place. There's a few options of how to do them. Infographic, if you're going to do this one, like it says there, multiple infographics to cover the topic adequately. So I don't know if that's the best one or not. A website could easily do. Google Sites is easy and free, and pretty good looking as well. Screencast video, there's multiple different ways to do that, and these are all links to help you kind of know what these are and ways to do them. So Screencastify is basically this here, what I'm doing now, where you would talk about maybe a slideshow or something for yours. And then these are just examples of things that you might use in class. So there's Adobe Spark would be a good one. We've already done that, so that one's not available for this. Podcast. Probably not the best for this, but I just put that on here, so maybe in the future you might want to use it. So it's pretty trendy right now. Digital portfolios and all that are using a lot of podcasts. Okay, so you'll choose one of these digital choices, choose one of these topics, look at those exciting topics. This is all in the OneNote, obviously, in a Word document, so you can look at it there. So the way that we're going to choose these topics is we'll do the Sign Up Genius again. So just go to that link and sign up for one of those. Obviously, first come, first served. And then this is what you're actually doing. So it's going to be in one of those digital formats, one of those topics. You will investigate and research the science behind your topic and provide an explanation based in science. The goal is informative explanation or possibly informative debunking, depending. So if the directions seem kind of open-ended and vague, it's because there's a lot of different topics here. You might pick something like the multiverse, or you might pick something like the flat earth hypothesis. Either way, your job will be to investigate it, research the science behind it, and provide an explanation based in science. So that's the key there, okay? So then give an interesting and informative explanation of your topic using your digital format, which does the following related to your topic. Describe the topic, explains it, all the what, where, why, whens, all of those. And then it should definitely demonstrate your understanding of not only the topic, but the digital format that you choose. Providing links, demonstrate a good solid amount of effort, interest, and enthusiasm on your part. So it is 60 points to end the semester. So this will be if it looks like you spent 10 minutes on it, if I see that you signed up the day it's due and whipped out something real quick, then that doesn't say much for how well you want your grade to turn out at the end, okay? And then at the bottom here is just sort of the grading scale or the rubric, more or less, if you want to look at that. And then that's just a list of topics, so that doesn't even matter there. So what we'll do is you'll have to get this to me in some kind of a shareable format. So depending on which one you choose, if you got questions, obviously just ask me. Some kind of a shareable format, and then on the last night of class, you'll be looking at a bunch of other people's projects. It should be interesting because there's a lot of different topics there. It's always worthwhile to see. That's why it's good. Why you're looking at other people's critiquing. It's always worthwhile to see how somebody else does the same project as you or something very similar. And that's what we'll do on the last night. So this is all in the OneNote. You can sign up whenever you want. You can start it whenever you want, just like anything that's listed in the OneNote. If you have any questions, send me an email.